Hello! This is a video tutorial on how to customize your quarterly shipments as part of the Pasolivo Press Club membership. First, click on the Login button on the corner of the Pasolivo homepage. Enter your email associated with your membership. Once you submit your email, a one-time 6-digit code will be sent to your email that will act as a password. Once you log in, click on the Shop button in the left-hand corner of the page. By clicking this, it will take you back to our Pasolivo homepage. To find your subscription, click on the Manage Subscription tab. Once you click on this, it will take you to your subscription page along with your subscription ID and the green Active Membership tag. Scroll down until you see a purple See More Details button. Clicking on this button will take you to a page to edit your subscription. Here, we'll be able to see and edit the upcoming pre-built shipment, along with other information like the next shipment date, the frequency of shipments, the address the shipment will be sent to, and the payment that will be billed for the shipment. To add products to your shipment, click on the blue Add Product button. You can also swap existing product with another product, or scroll down to the bottom of the page to use the search bar to add product. To find a product, simply type in the name associated with what you're looking for. Click on the purple Add Product button once you've found what you're looking for. You can also edit the quantity and click Confirm Add Product when you're done. You can also add and subtract quantities with the button next to the product of your choice. This will also automatically update the total for you as well. To remove a product, click the red Remove button with the trash can icon next to it. This will automatically remove the product and give you a successful confirmation. Please note while customizing that we kindly ask members to have a minimum of $110 as the subtotal amount to have a shipment counted towards your membership. Once you are finished customizing, your changes will automatically save. Feel free to click on the Pasolivo logo in the left-hand corner and click the Log Out button. Happy customizing!